Hey guys, welcome back to Napturalx2. If you've been watching us for a while, you should know that I am in grad school, so is Renee. If you don't know, then you haven't seen our Get to Know Us tag. If you haven't, it's going to be linked above. Unfortunately, I can't always afford high-end makeup from Sephora, and I love Sephora, but yeah, it's not really in the budget right now. So I've been going to the drugstore to pick up a few things, and today I'm going to show you how to get a full face of makeup using some awesome drugstore products. So if you're interested in seeing how I get this look, keep on watching, make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss any uploads. Without further ado, let's get started. Hey guys, so just in case you're interested, all the products that I use today will be linked in the bio. Right now, I'm just starting off by using my Morphe sponge to apply my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation, and that's in the color 112 or Cocoa. For concealer today, I will be using the Makeup Revolution concealer, and this is in the color C13, and I like to apply that on my forehead, underneath my eye in the shape of a triangle, and then on my chin and down the bridge of my nose. And again, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Morphe sponge and blending that out. Next, I'm going in with a Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, and this thing was real affordable, guys. It was like $2. I got it at Target. And so first I go ahead and I line the bottom of my brow and kind of set the shape that I want. And then I go ahead and I fill in the middle and the top lightly with gentle strokes from my pencil. When I'm done shaping out my brow and darkening it, I go ahead with my concealer again and I spot it gently underneath my brow, and I go ahead and sharpen that line on the bottom. For eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using this Morphe palette, and I'm starting off with this darker color and putting it in my crease, making sure that I darken it and that I kind of wing it out to the edge of my eye. Once that is done, I'm taking this coppery color and putting that on my lid. I make sure to put it all over my lid, including the inner corner, and I make sure that it connects to the color that I put in my crease. The final step is to take a lighter color and just blend the two together so that there isn't a harsh line separating the two. So now I'm setting my under eyes with this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and it is in the color Medium Deep. And I go ahead and I put that everywhere where I put my concealer. So now I'm just doing a light contour with this Morphe Bronzing Contour Duo. I believe it is in the color Showmance, I'm not sure. But yeah, I don't use the lighter color, I use the darker color. And then here I didn't show what product I'm using just because it isn't drugstore. I go ahead and I take this darker powder and I kind of blend away the lighter color that I put to set my concealer. So in this last step, I'm taking one of my favorite mascaras. This is the Maybelline Falsies. And I go ahead and I apply one layer to each lash. And then I go ahead and let it dry a little bit, and then I apply a second layer to my lashes. So the last step are my lips, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this lip liner from Colorpop. It is in the color Pitch. And for lips, I'm gonna be using this Revlon lipstick. It is in the color Blushing Nude, and I think it's just the perfect nude for me. It doesn't look too light on my skin. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for my makeup routine. I'm gonna go ahead and quickly slay my edges and see you guys next week.